So behind every man there is a badass girl. Wow, ladies, I really love that statement. What do you think about it?
I think it's very true.
Yeah, I mean, look at
Where's Obama without
I was
Michelle?
going to say Obama would be nothing without Michelle.
Finally. Harley says she's not bad, but she's just a terrible person. I mean,
Yeah.
it's true.
It's true.
It's
true.
But all the characters, they just have their heart broken.
Yeah.
So if you have to think about it, if they were all like the characters of the movie, would it be a better world? Maybe? Kind of?
If these characters existed in the world, I
In a
don't
real way.
want Harley
I don't-
in the real world.
I don't
No?
think Harley should be in the real world. I think
no.
that would cause mayhem.
Yeah, no.
Too much mayhem. I
No.
think it'd be great to have Black Canary in the real world.
Yeah.
Uh,
Should be saving a bunch of people.
Huntress, once she's kind of after this movie, you know, she's kind of realigned her priorities.
I think Black Canary's really got to get in there with her. Like, get in the soil.
Essentially, the Birds of Prey members should exist in the real world.
Everyone but Harley.
Harley's not a Birds of Prey member, so that's fine. She
Yeah,
probably shouldn't
exactly.
exist in the real world.